In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution on a HP monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a standalone monitor from HP, or even if you have a laptop, you will be able to easily change the resolution settings. So I'm going to teach you how to access the resolution settings on Windows and how you can switch between all of them. So regardless of the monitor type that you have, as long as you are running Windows, even if you have a laptop, you will be able to access them. So all that you have to do is go over to the system settings and then choose the display options. You can also right click on the Windows desktop and then select display options from here. Immediately upon going into display options, if you have multiple displays, you will have to select the one from HP that you want to manage here. Or if you have only one, it is going to be selected by default. With this done, you will be able to scroll down and you will be able to find display resolution under scale and layout. Usually, you want to leave the scale on 100 or whatever it tells you that it is recommended to be used in, and then you can choose the resolutions from here. You will have plenty of options to choose from, and usually the one that says recommended is the main one that should be used for that monitor, so it is the monitor's native resolution. Most of the time, you will get the options to make it shorter by default. There are ways to make the monitor use bigger resolutions that it shouldn't support, but you will need to change settings elsewhere. So for this video, I'm not going to cover that. But all that you have to do here is choose whichever resolution you want to use from the list. I recommend just picking the main one, so the one with the recommended tag, and as soon as this is done, you will be able to save. You can change the orientation as well if you would like to use it vertically and so on, and you can manage as many monitors as you have. The resolution will be available for all of them, and all that you have to do is right-click the Windows desktop and go over to the display settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to change resolution on your HP monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.